I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
We're at the Seagull 40 plus again. Just put petrol pipe on it. I see we've got a couple of wee leaks at the fibre washer here, and for some reason it's leaking at that top of the pipe. It shouldn't really be leaking there, I don't understand that, but I know why there's a drip at the top here. There's a copper and a fibre washer on that. There's a small leak there, but I just don't understand why it's leaking there, like. But there should be another washer on the other side of that. But I'm not too bothered about that. It's all about seeing if I can get it to run on the off the carburetor, because I did clean the carburetor out. I'd like to know if it'll run off the car, but I was waiting over a month to get this pipe. But it's just a case of giving it a wee whirl and we'll see what happens. As you can see, I'm filling up this with water. So I'll cut back to you once I've got that filled up with water, and we'll see if she'll even fire. Okay. See what I'm saying? Working when I'm putting petrol in. But it should fire then as well, eh? It should carry on running. Yeah. Oh, I have to as you can see, it's firing, but it's refusing point blank to start. I'm fully aware about the petrol I have leaking, but that's not kind of a major issue. I just don't know why she won't fire off her own carburetor. Fired there. She fired dead off her own car. It's very peculiar. That's a fibre washer that's leaking on the bottom there. I'm not sure where that's leaking up there. It's possibly the pipe that needs clamped. It wasn't me that did that side, I did that side. God knows. It's maybe flooded. You're gonna start recording, didn't you? Nothing there. Nothing. What? It's going to need more investigation. I'm probably going to have to sort that pipe. Not probably, I am going to sort that pipe. I'll probably put another fibre washer there. You can hear Ken talking away in the background there, I'm afraid. My wife likes to watch Ken, and she's been busy watching him all morning. I've got this car to do a CV joint on. Unfortunately the weather's not been with us, and there's a couple of wee jobs to do on that one, but we'll get to it at some point. I was also meant to be going away to look at another motor today, possibly going away tomorrow now to look at that, so And if you like Ken, well, give Ken a shout, you know, because Ken's a good guy. Yeah, Ken Small Engines. He's a good guy. Maybe he can help me out with this whole rust bucket. No, it's running in the carb, eh? It's running in the carb. I didn't see her pump any water, right? But
No.
she's running the carb. We're still having carburetor issues, yeah. But I've had it running there a few times. I'll try and run the petrol. Taking some cranking. But anyway, guys, I'm going to finish up there. So if you like that, give a like, and I'll let you know in the next video how I get on. I might actually just go and purchase another brother's carb for it. I think I seen one for £27 second hand, so, and it needs a throttle cable. The throttle cable's knackered. So it might be worth spending another few quid on it. I'll take the whole project up to about, I think I've spent about £85 on it so far. I'll spend another 27 quid. Don't know what a throttle cable will be, probably about 11 quid. So just to see, although I'm running it in water today to see was she pumping, and I can't see anything, you know, amiss apart from I've not had her running long enough to know that whether she's going to pump or not. The exhaust's not even hot, the head's not even hot, so leave it with me and we'll get back to you. Like I say, if you like this sort of thing, give us a like, you know. Okay.